Yeah, fun little fact about this this town. It was created in like 1850 after San Salvador had a massive earthquake and was pretty much leveled. The plan was to move the capital here, but I guess it never happened. I'm not sure if this is the municipal market or if it's like, you know, the edges around it, but there's definitely some activity here. Let's go inside. Hola. Hola. You can buy clothes, toys, fruit, vegetables, lighters, toilet paper, all within 5 feet. Yeah, this is happening here. People drinking beer and chicken for breakfast. Hola. Every type of meat you could possibly want. ¿Qué es esto? ¿Qué es esto?
Tripa.
What?
Tripa.
No es pollo?
Sí.
Es pollo.
No, tripa. Es de la red, de la vaca.
Oh, esta. Ah, okay. Okay, so that stuff is, that hanging stuff is tripe. They even have a little fish market in here. Hola. Oh, I thought they were selling like live chickens or something, but it's like a parrot.
Where are you from?
Oh, Los Angeles.
USA.
Yeah. Did you live there before?
Huh?
Did you live there before?
10 years.
10 years, okay. I was just curious, why did you go to US and then why did you come back?
I need to have my sons and my daughter.
So you do this in the US?
Then I came back. The ladies there are very
Selective.
and here is more easier.
Okay, so you came back here for the woman.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, man, high five.
Okay.
Este es pollo? Okay. Gracias. Alright, so I got some like fried chicken mixed with some rice and vegetables here and some tortillas to go along with it. I'm starving, so I'm gonna dig in. Alright. I don't know if you're supposed to make tacos, but looks tasty. Hey, gracias, adios.
Yo, okay, gracias.